Hari Om friends, I'd like to share another incident which I had gone through recently. I was with a family. We were in a park sitting, and this friend had two young kids, and the younger son. We were all sitting there in the park talking, and it started to drizzle lightly. And this young son who was with me playing, he looked up and he was telling me, "Uncle, there's some magic happening in the heaven up above. Can you see? The water is coming out. There's some magic happening there." He was with all smiles and joy. He was looking up and he was feeling elated. And that for one moment, when I looked at him, that's when I understood the magic is not just happening in the skies, it is much more happening in his eyes. I repeat, the magic is not just happening in the skies, it is happening much more in his eyes. For him, everything appeared magic. Therefore, as they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. If you have those eyes, everything is magic, and if you don't have it, nothing is magic. Therefore, friends, it is what we see, or much more than what we see, it is how we see that matters. If you have that purity of heart, the clarity in thinking, maybe you see it in a much beautiful way. It is therefore whatever the experience plus our inner evolution, inner growth, more wisdom in us, you see everything as magic. That's why they said you could see anything as magic or nothing as magic. The beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. The beauty was not happening in the skies, it was happening in his eyes, friends. Therefore, my suggestion to one and all is, can we improve our perception? Can we alter our thinking? Can we bring a certain purity to our emotion? And once you work on it, then you meet life. Everything is magical. Everything is right. Everything is the way it's meant to be. Your level of acceptance becomes far greater. Your potential of compassion, kindness is profound, and you are living life in the way you have to live life. So, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. The magic is not just happening in the skies, it was happening in the young boy's eyes. We are given these fleshy eyes. They say 576 megapixel. Great potential. It's all about how you see it. It's not what you see, it's how you see it. Let's improve our perception. Let's renew our perception, and you understand life is worthwhile, it's purposeful, and it can be lived in the most glorious way. Think about it. Namaskar. The Mind and Intellect platform is designed for unlearning and relearning. And if you like these videos, please do share with your friends and let more people get benefited from these knowledges. Think about it. Thank you all.